This trade video is going to feature Bahamas Petroleum. Before we actually get on with the technical analysis, if you want to subscribe to this channel, you will get one of these videos on different shares every single week. So Bahamas Petroleum has pretty much been in a moderately downtrend. It had quite a bit of a down move all the way to 1.5 pence. Since then, it's recovered 200% increase in 2 days. So there is a lot going on with this stock. So we need to start seeing things like this long-term resistance trend line, which means overall the trend is pretty much down. If we would retest that, you're looking at around the 6 pence mark at present. So if Bahamas Petroleum did really go on a run now, that is where you'd expect it to absolutely not get above that trend line. But as we've seen before with Bahamas Petroleum, sometimes it smashes technical analysis out of the window and absolutely goes on a bull run. Zooming in on this chart, we are able to pick out some key features to show you. So we've got this descending long-term trend line. Time and time again, the market hits it and fails. That is around 6 pence per share at present. So any potential upside to there is likely to fail at 6p. We have this descending short-term trend line which was taken out. The price went to 1.5 pence, which is probably a very important price. It shot up and we have seen around 200% increase from that 1.5 pence per share. So the question is, what is going to happen next? Well, we don't really know. However, what we do know is there are quite some very stern resistances in the 4p trading range. Between 4 pence per share and 4.75 pence per share. The reason for that is BPC spent so much time gyrating between the two, it's made these prices quite significant. So we do think that the horizontal trend lines are going to be the answer in where the top of this move is, because if you can sell at the top of this move and be patient enough to buy back, then you will probably make a lot of money on your trading shares. Because we know that these shares spike and then they fall back very quickly. So if you can actually get the top of this market, you'll make a lot of money. So we need to establish where the important resistances are. We've spent a hell of a lot of time drawing this chart and analyzing it. We have picked out a few key resistance areas, which we think if BPC continues to rise in the week, it may well fail at these resistances. If traders see that it's failing at these resistances, they will be selling up very quickly, and you have to be nimble with stocks like BPC. However, we have got a link below this video which will talk through much more on where we think you should sell, and also if you want to buy BPC, how you should go about it.